Deixa eu equipar aqui, eu tinha esquecido, mano. Deixa eu equipar aqui minha espada. Minha espada agora, pra enfrentar pessoas, tá foda.
Deixa eu vender aqui. Porra, aumentou mais uma mensagem, caralho.
Bom, vamos negociar aqui. Deixa eu vender esse sabre aqui e acabou. Tenho espaço para 31 quilos, né? Vamos falar aqui com o Roach. Vamos lá.
No, follow me.
Mais um rei. Peraí. Ah, pô. Pode diamante, filho.
Hold. We're here to meet King.
Have you been granted?
We haven't.
Everyone knows the killer.
Then everyone is wrong.
Not my concern. I cannot.
We bring Radovid news that will strengthen his position during the talks. Care to? Besides, this camp is swarming with soldiers. We'd have to be stupid or suicidal.
Pass then, if your news is so important.
Don't you worry.
Vamos lá, vamos lá. E aí, Ana, na paz, meu amigo? E aí, meu bom, vai se mexer não? Aí.
Temeria stands little chance of surviving if Radovid has made terms with Kedwin.
Even less if he's made a pact with Nilfgaard. He and the Emperor could divide the entire north between them.
I take pleasure in seeing Kedwin peak to
Aqui
heart.
tem tecido, tecido
Start
resistente
the
em
country
couro.
deepest in chaos, so you'd best hope nothing of that sort has happened.
Vou ficar pesadão daqui a pouco, mano. Mas foda-se, né? Lute é lute.
Did you request an audience with the king?
Tenho.
The king will receive you.
Caralho, o cara aceitou muito fácil. Você tem uma audiência? Claro. Ah, tá bom.
Vai lá. Passa aí, meu bom.
Tá ligado?
Geralt of Rivia.
Geralt of Rivia.
Your Majesty.
As usual, you turn up where and when you're least expected. And in such company. I never thought they'd make a soldier out of you.
Roach é um amigo.
Vernon Roach is a friend. He's a new.
The world has changed greatly since we met. Temeria stands at the brink of civil war. Kedwin has taken the Pontar Valley by force, and a Nilfgaardian Voltest and Demavend are both dead. Though it seems we were signing treaties just yesterday. Henselt was butchered in Vergen.
Por que você tá escola
Why
da
don't we
ordem
bring the
aqui?
Knights of the Order?
The Order of the Flaming Rose is here to ensure that the talks remain peaceful.
O que o Nilfgaard
What's
chegando
the
tá fazendo?
delegation from Nilfgaard?
Henselt invited before he died.
Shillard Fitzestelan would never miss an opportunity like this one.
Eu preciso da sua ajuda, senhor.
I've come here for help, Your Majesty.
Wait. Were it not for you, Henselt would have perished at the hands of an assassin. Am I right?
É verdade.
I killed a would-be assassin. Pure coincidence. I just happened to be there.
Things like that oft seem to happen to you. Do you know how he died?
Ah, sim.
Yes.
Speak then.
Ih, caralho, puta.
killed him. Henselt had Roach's unit murdered. I can't call it anything else. In doing that, he signed when he was looking for Saskia in Vergen after the battle. I cornered him in a hut and
What about Deathmold?
Ah,
he
essa...
followed orders and deserves the same.
Maybe we can come to some sort of arrangement. You said you needed help, Witcher. Tell me more.
Who's representing Kedwin?
Only the sorcerer Deathmold
Oh,
and his
Deathmold.
men are in Lochmuin.
Quem está
If
apresentando a
Temeria
Temeria?
is in turmoil,
Constable Natalis, the hero of Brenner, which is good.
Sheila de Tanzerville is behind the murderers that hit Temeria.
How do you know?
Eu encontrei um assassino moribundo. Eu sei graças à magia de Deathmold.
We killed one of them in Edirn. Deathmold used his magic to give me a glimpse of the past. They spoke of
One mage's magic shows another's guilt, and it's no ordinary magic, but the forbidden.
It all makes sense. Shillard Fitzestelin warned me about a plot. Apparently, Triss Merigold confessed to him that the sorcerer...
Triss is working with Sheila.
She's been detained as a suspect. Shillard believes that... Luckily, the entire amphitheater is under a spell that quells any magic. Well, the talk's beckon. Everyone wants to see...
What do you mean by that, Your Majesty?
The nobles are rebelling in Vizima. Lacking a ruler, they simply want to divide...
Divide Temeria. Shame on the
Well... Anais, the daughter of... After Foltest's death, the La Valettes came to prominence. Louisa's uncle, Baron Orville, became one of the most... He wanted to see Anais on the throne, but Vizima was still in turmoil. During the journey, the girl was... Arian La Valette asked me to use my connections to find his sister. My people tell me Anais is here in Loch...
Olha,
I cannot mount an armed attack on the Cadwennies. It would be a lone witcher and a former soldier. Bring me Anais, Geralt, and I'll salvage a...
Ariane está vivo?
I heard Arian died in the fire that consumed.
We all thought so. The girl is most... I denounce our engagement and make her quit. The nobles of Vizima would greet her on bended knee. And then... I must attend these talks, Geralt. Bring me the girl, the two of you. Men without country or commander. I, in turn, promise that Sheila de...
An alliance with Redania.
Por Temeria.
Preserving Temeria's independence.
Cara, vou te falar.
Anais. She's the key.
Eu tenho que continuar aqui seguindo ele por enquanto. Pera aí, então.
The boy would have had a stronger claim to the throne.
Maybe Anais can tell us something. It's high time we visited our old friend.
Eu não tô pesado ainda, então.
The Emperor's men hold Triss. They'll get everything they can out of her, after which she'll be dispensable.
If it's between the sorceress's life and Temeria's future, then I have no choice. I'm sorry. It's not a place to talk. Let's wait till we're
Por
beyond.
aqui? Eu não lembro muito desse capítulo, tá ligado? Então. Ué, quem é essa?
Roach. Roach!
É.
Just the person I'd be looking for were I not forced to seek Anais Lavalette. You have much to explain, Brigida Paperbrock.
Oh no. You'll not pin this on me. I trusted you and you sent me into a den of vipers.
Another Vess.
This is no time for pleasantries, Geralt. Calm yourself, Brigida. You were to watch Foltest's children. I saw nothing dangerous in the task. Obviously, I was wrong, but I need your help. Anais has been kidnapped. Boosie is likely dead. I need to know how this...
You knew well what you were getting me into. You know that
Not half as well as you do, my dear. Who were...
Not so fast, Roach. I have been hiding in this city for 3 days, scurrying about like a rat. They're hunting me.
What do you propose?
Escort me out of the city, to the river.
What will that get you?
I expected I would need to fend for myself. I've secured passage.
It's a long way.
You've a traitor in your camp, Roach. Perhaps more than one. What happened to Foltest's bastards is no series of coincidences.
Alguém tá manipulando todo mundo, olha só.
Geralt, I need to look to Anais, learn how we're to get to her. But Brigida might know what happened to Boosie. Thus far, we've heard.
Bom,
Right, Roach.
I'll search for a back way into the Kedwen.
You're forgetting. I came here.
Whatever you decide to do later, so be it. But a traitor in the Temerian camp threatens us all. Escort Brigida.
I'd thank you, Roach, if you weren't such.
I'm counting on you, Geralt. Brigida must get to her destination.
Good luck, Roach.
eu posso juntar ela mais tarde. Ah, vamos. Vou te levar lá.
Which way are we headed?
Subir de nível. Deixa eu ver personagem. Caralho, tô com 4 níveis, já. Acho que eu não tinha gastado também, né? Caralho, mano. Eu posso aumentar minha vitalidade pra 50. Isso aqui é interessante. Ó, isso aqui é interessante também, mano. E eu posso causar dano agora com o Irden. Interessante, mano. Interessante. O que é? Aqui é alquimia, né? Deixa eu ver. Dano de bombas, vitalidade mais 20, duração de poção, ingredientes alquímicos. Não vi nada de bom aqui, tá ligado? Eu vou ver aqui em cima se eu peguei tudo. Bom, eu peguei regeneração de vigor quando estiver fora de combate. Acho que eu vou regenerar vigor durante o combate. Beleza.
We shall leave Lochmuin through the Order's camp. We won't be bothered there. Then we'll descend the mountain pass.
Salve Trees ou ajude a recuperar.
Does it matter, Witcher?
Agora tem coisa aqui pra...
Ah, na paz, meu amigo. E tu aí, como é que tá? Tá com aquele problema ainda?
Too early to pry, Witcher. I'll not let you pick my brain and abandon me.
The main path leads to the right.
That's where they're likely to be waiting.
Roach would say they'd be waiting along both paths.
Roach. You're with me, not him. And I decide for myself. I agreed to meet someone on the riverbank. We'll go through the wood.
Vou dar um save aqui só pra ter certeza, né, mano? Vai que aconteça alguma coisa no caminho ou ela morra.
Calm thus far. Your dear Roach seems to have been wrong.
You two have a history, or do I have it wrong?
He asked a favor of me. I was to stay with
Piorou como?
his children, watch them, travel with them if necessary. Child's play, the bastard called it. That's how I wound up in the caravan transporting the children to Lochmuin.
Yeah, that clearly...
Soon enough. We've just got to make it through the forest. It's a short way to the river.
Let's go.
It's not far now. Redlin awaits down by the river, at the end of this path.
Is Redlin another of Roach's contacts?
No, a smuggler. I'd be looking for another way out if he were Roach's man.
Stay behind me.
Vamos, menina.
Calma. Acho que eu tenho que descer por aqui, ó. Calma. Caralho, mano. Floresta da porra, velho.
It's roaches, bitch! Kill them!
Ai, caralho. Não.
Temeria for Temerians!
Caramba, o cara caiu no Irden e tá se mexendo ainda. Como é que eu pego esses tanques diferentes? Boa.
They were expecting us.
No time to lose. How much further?
Not far. We must stay on this path. It's the shortest way.
You've gotten into some serious trouble.
I should say so. Temeria is like a haystack, and the information I have is a burning torch. Fill the rest in for yourself.
Peraí, eu acho que eu vi meteorito amarelo aqui. Aí, espera. Aí. Deixa eu... ver se eu tiro alguma coisa aqui. Ah, ela recuperou o HP todo. Pera aí, moça. Posso meditar? Então... dá uma alquimia aqui, ó. Vou preparar a estrela cadente. Não, não. Filtro de Petri. Gralha. Eu vou beber essas 3. Bom, moça, vamos seguir. Ué, tô carregando muito peso. Calma aí, então. Couro. Não sei se é por aqui, mano, mas vamos seguir. Bom, tem água, né? Então... Não, Geralt. Ih, caralho, vai matar ela. Não! Merda. Poxa vida. Eu não tinha visto essas armadilhas não. Caí em 5, ó. Olha só. Eu juro pra vocês que eu não vi as armadilhas no chão. Eu sou meio cego com essas questões, tá ligado? De armadilha. Desse game. Não sei, velho. Eu vi Orens aqui, filho. Nossa, um Oren.
Já dá um save nessa segunda parte aqui, ó.
Bom, nós dois estamos com a vida máxima. Minhas poções ainda não acabaram, então tô de boa. Deixa eu ver aqui. Diagrama de manopla de duelista, olha só. Tem pra caramba aqui, né, velho? Tá, não precisa aqui. Tá, o objetivo tá aqui, mas eu não acho que vai ser só chegar no objetivo e pronto.
This is the smuggler I spoke of.
This was the smuggler you spoke of. Someone's coming.
Falei?
You'll not sail off, you whore! Kill her!
O maguinho já era. Cara, só tem um ali pra enfrentar ela.
I'll have your head!
Otário. Já era. Bom, você está salvo, moça.
Thank you. I'd not have survived on my own.
Talk, woman. You've dragged me far away from the city. You owe me an explanation. Who were those men? Who have you been hiding?
I
3 days like a rat, you said.
I knew. I mean, I had my
So talk.
Fala aí, moça. Quem são esses homens?
Who's out to...
I don't know.
There you go.
Truly, I cannot be sure. At first I thought it was revenge for the children.
It's not Roach. We both know.
Yes, yes.
Eu preciso saber sobre Maravel e
Tell
Kimball.
me about the Viper.
They created this storm.
Are they working together?
I would say they detest one another. Or that's what they wish everyone to believe.
Como é Maravel? Como é Maravel?
The Count intends?
No, but I cannot imagine any.
Meaning?
I would call him a sheep were his heart not black. He's a jester, an especially nasty one, though I cannot identify.
Como é Barão Kimball?
A strong Temeria, and a strong north. He's obsessed. He believes,
He's probably not alone.
but he is alone in believing that he himself is the remedy for that ailment. The Baron sees himself on the Temerian throne.
Isn't she a little young?
He's a disgusting old satyr. He'd be a
Você aprendeu bastante trabalhando com Roche.
Seems you got to know the Baron and the Count well. Then there's Roach.
Being a courtier, that was no life for me. I thought it terribly.
Searching for excitement shouldn't get you killed.
It's the last time I do anything of the sort.
You can't be sure of that. Is Vernon the only person you do?
I've never betrayed Temeria, if that.
O que está
What
acontecendo com o
happened to the
comboio?
convoy carrying Anais and Busi? What about the children?
We were ambushed.
I need detail.
We were traveling along the agreed path, with a limited escort so as not to draw attention. The children.
Which one were you in?
I was with Anais. One day a messenger appeared with orders for the caravan's commander. A change of plans. We turned north to travel a longer route for safety's sake. Soon after the turnoff, we...
Nós fomos atacados, beleza. Cutscenezinha aí, ó.
Acho que meu gato quando passou aqui, ele mexeu na câmera e eu não tinha reparado, porque ela não tá exatamente centralizada. Mataram todo mundo, né? Na caravana.
The attackers were killing everyone indiscriminately. One pulled me from the wagon, but a bolt pierced his neck. It was mayhem. I ran for the bushes and hid.
Did you see what happened to
The driver of Boosie's wagon was shot. The horses got spooked when the fighting was done. They found Anais still in her wagon. I turned away for fear of what they might do.
Any idea what happened to the caravan?
I have them. After they took Anais, the bastards were in a hurry.
Thanks. Sure you can manage that boat?
I must. I'll not return to the city. Thank you.
Vai lá, moça, faz teu trampo aí. Obrigado pelas informações. Retorna. Vou ficar na floresta. Eu quero. Ah, eu volto andando. Minério de meteorito vermelho, né? Vou jogar fora algumas coisas aqui. Vou precisar jogar fora, né? Sei que não precisei, não. Bom, a mina já foi embora. Tem um minério de meteorito amarelo aqui atrás, que a gente vai pegar. Ah, não vou pegar esse aqui. Não sei se eu tô indo pro caminho certo, tá ligado? Eita. Eita, espada errada.
Damn, you're ugly.
Cara, em todos os mapas teve uma Endrega rainha. Ai, Endrega. Endrega. Nojo. Aqui também tem. Luvas de falconeiro de Nilfgaardiana. Tem uma caverna pra cá, olha só. Tem um aqui, outro ali e mais um aqui. São 3. Tem interação em algum lugar. Raiz de mandrágora, raiz de mandrágora. Bom, vou dar um save aqui de novo. A gente vai abrir esse... Ó, quebrei 2. Vou esperar um pouquinho. Acho que já posso salvar. Salvei. Calça de couro nilfgaardiana. Deixa eu ver o inventário aqui. Essas calças são boas. Armadura 2, né? Armadura 2. Pô. Vou largar a minha outra. Peraí, eu vi ordens aqui. Ah não, embrião de Endrega. Verba, embrião de Endrega. Pô, embrião de Endrega. Deixa eu ver o inventário. Não. Deixa eu me livrar de alguns tecidos, né, mano? Ah. Tecido não pesa tanto quanto eu esperava. Então vamos liberar. Cadê? Ouro. Dá um save aqui. E a gente vai finalizar com o último. Aí, ó. Ah, que barulho escroto, viado. Que barulho escroto, mano. Na moral. Foi lá embaixo, né? Liberou. O que temos aqui? Ah, tá.
Take that.
Ei, vai vir não? Ah, me envenenou. Caralho, 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 caralho! Tem comida ali, mano. Pô, não acertou ninguém, é sério isso? Não, calma aí. Calma aí, então. Meditação. Caralho, menor. Caralho. Caralho, menor. Olha lá, mano. Ele começou a tacar pra ninguém, velho. E olha lá. É. Bom, as filhas dela já eram. Ah. Caralho, me deu olé aqui, ó. Caralho, menor! O que acontece com o meu Irden, velho? Que todo mundo consegue escapar do Irden facilmente, tá ligado? Caralho, velho, me dá agonia desse bicho. Caralho, todo mundo escapa do Irden, tipo... Tá ligado? Estalou os dedos e escapou, tá ligado? Não consigo entender, mano. Verdade. Vai, sai daí, sai daí. Sai daí, sai daí. Sai. Já era. Cadê? Você tem loot aí pra mim? Ah, sempre carregando muito peso, velho.